This 2020 Vanleigh Vilano 320GK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Vanleigh is 34 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 4, awning, TV, water heater, slide-out, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, leveling jacks, DVD player, air conditioning, and 70 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Vanleigh Vilano 320GK is 12,400 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.